Are you ready to make a nativity scene out of Jenga blocks? Let's do this. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so this was last night's project, and I added a nativity scene, and I wanted to show you how I did that. So I have these little Jenga blocks. I cut one of them down, probably a half an inch or so. And I have some wood beads. One of them is probably a half an inch. The other one is a little smaller. And I'm just going to glue the wood beads to our Jenga blocks. Perfect. Now remember that little piece that we cut off? We're going to take a wee tiny bead and we're going to glue it to the top of that because we're going to make a baby Jesus. Look at how cute it is. So I have a piece of burlap, and all I'm going to do is wrap it, like swaddle the baby in it. So perfect. And listen, I'm sure somebody's going to be like, wow, there's so many better ways to do this. I'm sure there are. This is the way that worked for me, and so love me through it. So I wrap the baby Jesus in that, and I trim, and now we're going to glue. And just a word to the wise, put a finger protector on because burlap is very fibrous and opening. And so if you put glue on it and then you stick your finger on it, it's going to go right through the burlap, and you're going to get hurt. So don't get hurt. Okay. So all I'm doing is just gluing down the little swaddle and making sure it's adhered. Super cute, super rustic too. Now I have a piece of drop cloth and I'm just going to cut a square out of it. Next we're going to do Mary. So we're going to put a little glue on the top of our bead and I'm going to glue that piece of drop cloth. Then I'm going to kind of crisscross in the front. So we're going to glue, cross, glue some more, and then cross it over again. Again, is this the best way to do it? Probably not. Am I wasting some fabric? Sure. Is this easy for me? Yes. So I just trimmed it. I glued down the area in the back so it stays folded. And now we're going to glue baby Jesus to Mary. And is it primitive and simple? Yes. And I'm there for it. Then I take another piece of drop cloth and I'm going to just glue that one on top of Joseph. And then we're going to take a piece of jute. We're going to tie it and then we're going to put this at the top so that we tie it and it looks like the head covering. Look how fun, right? I trim the, what is it called? Drop cloth. And I'm going to trim the jute and stop. I think it's adorable. I did glue it a little bit just to keep it so that it didn't move. I put a piece of jute around the center. Again, listen, some of you are going to come at me because I made him look like a shepherd. I know Joseph probably wasn't a shepherd. I don't know, but it looked good. And so I went with it. So I have a piece of stick that I took off of one of my grapevine wreaths. And so, listen, I think it looks adorable. If this is not biblically accurate, forgive me, love me through it. Okay, fine. But anyway, so next we're going to glue our little family into the cute little Christmas tree box that we made yesterday and stop. Look at how cute this is. I mean, I am there for it. Look, I love it. Whew. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.